When you are trying to make your PC safe, you don't only need a good antivirus program. You also have to think of a way to protect your data from loss or theft. If you didn't believe it before, the recent NSA data scandal should have convinced you that governments and enterprises can, and in fact do, steal your data. How can you protect yourself? The answer is drive encryption. There are different tools for this task. TrueCrypt was one of the most popular ones for some time, but after a lot of controversial discussions and possible security issues, the creators gave the program up. As an alternative, you can use BitLocker. BitLocker is a native Windows tool, but it's not available on all Windows versions. It's only part of Windows 7 Ultimate, Windows 8, Professional, and Enterprise. With BitLocker, you can encrypt drive partitions, USB sticks, SD cards, and virtual drives. Even if somebody installs the encrypted drive on his own computer, he will not be able to read your data. If you log in with your username and password, Windows takes care of decrypting and encrypting automatically in the background. This costs a little bit of CPU, but with current PCs this is of little significance. With BitLocker to go, you can also encrypt easily misplaced portable storage devices like USB flash drives and external hard drives.
In this tutorial we will show you how to encrypt an external device such as a USB stick with BitLocker. Once the USB stick is connected, just right-click on the USB stick to open the context menu and left-click on Enable BitLocker Encryption. This opens the BitLocker setup. Here you can select what method you want to use to unlock. There are two options, smart card or password. We will show you how to encrypt the stick with a password. The password must be at least 8 characters long. But for safety reasons it should be at least 10 characters long and contain uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and special characters. Now click Next. This will open a window where you have to create a recovery key. We can choose whether we want to save the recovery key to a file or to print it out. This key is required in case we forget our password and want to decrypt our stick. If you save the key as a file, you should make sure that it is stored in a place where it will not be deleted accidentally. You can save it on another USB stick or you can put it on a CD-ROM. If you print the key, you should be careful where you stored the key. The best option is to keep it locked away in a safe. Once we have selected one of the methods, we click Next. Here you will now be asked how much space should be encrypted. The safest option is to encrypt the entire disk space, but this also takes the longest time. We choose the option to encrypt everything and click the Next button. This window shows us all the information we just entered. Click Next to begin the encryption.
Once we are done with the encryption process, we will show you how you can access your encrypted data. After you connect your USB stick to your computer, a window will pop up in the top right corner of your screen. This will show you that the BitLock encrypted device has been connected. If you click on this computer, you can see all your connected devices. There is your USB stick with the lock sign. When you try to open it, Windows will ask you for a key. After you enter the key, you can use your USB stick normally. When you try to open it and you forget your password, you can click More Options and enter the recovery key. Before you can enter the key, you get the first part of the verification key. If you have more than one encrypted device, this will help you to find the right verification key. Since we only encrypted our USB stick just now, we know exactly where we saved it. Via copy and paste, you can enter the key in this field. After you entered the key, your USB stick is unlocked and you can use it normally. In the BitLocker management window, you can deactivate BitLocker completely or you can change your password. This is all you need to know to encrypt your data with BitLocker. We hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.